Hello friends, so today in this session let's start with the remaining numericals of energy audit. Today we'll be covering the simple interest and compound interest numerical, which are very easy and are asked in almost every paper for 6 marks. Let's see how to solve them. We have been given the initial investment of 30 lakh rupees. Return rate was 12%, that is bank interest you can see, and term was for 6 years. That is in 6 years you have to return 30 lakh rupees with a 12% interest annually. So what will be the interest for 6 years and how much will be the total value after 6 years? We have to calculate. Let's see how to solve. Simple interest has a definite formula, PRT divided by 100. Now P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, T is the term, and divided by 100 we get 216,0000. So that is 21 lakh 60,000 rupees. The total amount which will be after 6 years will be 30 lakhs plus 21 lakh 60,000, which will be 51 lakh 60,000. We have been told to calculate the monthly amount or the monthly installment for the 6 years. So fairly dividing it by 12, we get 51 lakh 60,000 divided by 12 is 71,667 rupees per month. This was the simple interest formula in which we found out the monthly installment for 6 years to repay a sum of 30 lakh rupees. If the same numerical was asked for compound interest, let's see how to solve it. Compound interest has a formula, A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R raised to N. Now this R should be divided by 100, that is 0.12. P is known and N is also known. For example, in this numerical, we have been told that it is compounded once annually. If it was compounded twice annually, the formula changes a little bit and you have to consider 2. So for this particular numerical, it's in your syllabus only for compounded once. We can use this formula directly and find out the principal amount. You don't need to add this amount to 30 lakh rupees as you do in simple interest. This is compound interest. This is including the principal amount. So this is 59 lakhs 21,468 rupees. The monthly pay will be dividing it by 12, that is 82,242 rupees. So from this you get to know that it is good to apply simple interest rather than compounding it annually, because you have to pay approx 10,000 rupees more every month. So let's see the third numerical of compound interest. In this particular numerical, we have been given the principal amount, the rate, and compounded annually once, as well as the term is for 10 years. Similar problem, a similar numerical and similar formula. 50,000 bracket 1 plus R raised to N upon 1 plus R upon N raised to T. N is the number of compounding annually or twice annually, thrice annually in the same manner. So 50,000 bracket 1 plus 0.08, that is 8% interest raised to 10, that is 10 years. We get 1 lakh 7,946 rupees. So 50,000 will account to 1 lakh rupees after 10 years at the rate of 8%. So these are the 3 types of numerical for energy audit. I'll continue teaching energy audit, which has 2 more numericals, and we'll be done with energy audit. The 2 numericals will be directly from the textbook and they are very important as they are asked for 8 marks in each and every exam. So I hope to see you in my next video. Keep sharing and subscribing.